Welcome friends to our Facebook page. Let's make colorful butterfly. Today we are folding this yellow craft paper into half and then make two triangles and tuck it inside like we are doing here. Again we are going to open it and we are going to fold it from its bottom side like this. Pull it downwards and make the wings of the butterfly. Now we are going to give it shape by this orange sketch pen. Draw the wings like this. Paste its antennas and look, your bookmark is ready. We're going to make these beautiful dragonflies using ice cream sticks. So join 3 sticks together using hot glue gun. Now we are going to color it. We are doing blue color here on the wings of the dragonfly. After this we are going to add more details to the body. We're also drawing lines on the wings like this. Then we are going to paste googly eyes and it's ready. Let's make this giraffe pen holder using craft paper. So take a yellow craft paper, roll it and make 4 such tubes and combine all of them together using double-sided tape. After that we are going to make the head of the giraffe. We are making the mane of the giraffe paste like this. Now we are also drawing the patches. Draw its eyes like this, its smiley face, and paste all of them together. Draw the patches as well on the tubes and look, your pen holder is ready. You can put all your pens inside it. Let's make this fun craft for kids. We are folding this green craft paper and make a triangular shape. Fold it and pull it downwards. Now we are going to fold it again and look at the white strip, and then we are going to flip it again, paste googly eyes, and look, it is ready. Look at these origami animals. We are going to make it. Here we are making the elephant. So take printed paper and start folding it from its diagonals. Fold it and make a square shape. Fold it from its sides, flip it. Now we are going to again fold it, open it, then we are going to flip it again, and similar way we are going to open this side as well. After this we are going to fold it from its bottom part like this, and then we are going to pull it downwards. Again we are going to fold it into half from its sides and then from the top portion as well. Pull it downwards as well. Now flip it and again start folding it. We are going to make a shape like this. Here we are going to make the body of the elephant. So we are going to pull it downwards again and tuck it inside like this. Here we are making mini folds and it's almost done. Here we are going to make the trunk of the elephant. So pull the paper downwards and give shape like this. Now twist the trunk like we are doing here. Draw the eyes and look, it is ready. Similar way you can make more animals. We are going to make these cute little kitten faces using craft paper. So take a craft paper. We are folding this blue colored craft paper. We are making crease here. Fold it from its diagonals, then from its corners. Flip it and again fold it like we are doing here. Again open it. You will get a square shape at the center. Flip it again and we are going to make a shape like this. Then we are going to fold all the pieces from its sides like we are doing here and tuck it inside like this, and look, you will get a square shape. And then we are going to paste the kitten face and look, it is ready. You can change the expressions as well. Let's make these beautiful birds using black craft paper. So draw the shape of the bird and start cutting it using scissors like we are doing here. Give shape to the wings like this and look, it is ready. Paste its beaks, draw its eyes and paste them on the sheet of paper. Add more details and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.